I got this wire pumpkin a couple of years ago and I haven't been able to do anything with it up until now, and I really want to show you guys what I'm planning to do with this. So I'm going to be using some of this twine, a hot glue gun, some scissors. I'm going to start off by adding some hot glue onto the wire to be able to attach the wire and the twine together. And then from there, I'm going to start wrapping the twine around the wire. And I'm going to be doing this process to the entire pumpkin. This is what the pumpkin is starting to look like. Now we're going to go to Hobby Lobby and look for the rest of the things we need to finish this project. So here we are at Hobby Lobby. We're going to pick out some flowers and leaves, and they have this really beautiful fall decor right now. They always have really cute decor. So for this project, I got this fall bouquet, and I also got some ribbon. I'm going to start off by cutting off the leaves and the pine cones from this bouquet. I got this bouquet because I really wanted to use these leaves for the wreath. I put the cut up leaves on the side and I'm going to start gluing them onto the wreath. There's no specific way that I'm gluing the leaves. I'm just gluing them wherever I think would look best. Next, I took the ribbon that I bought from Hobby Lobby and I'm going to be making a bow with this. After I shaped the bow more or less what I wanted it to look like, I took some floral wire and I put it in the middle to keep the bow in place. Then I cut up some more ribbon to cover the floral wire. Now I'm going to cut the ends of the bow diagonally to give it a nicer look. Now I'm going to be taking this thicker ribbon and I'm going to be doing the same exact thing as I did with the previous bow. If you're going to do something similar to what I'm doing, I would recommend getting ribbon with wire in it just because it is able to keep the shape a lot better. I used the slider to seal the edges of the fabric so it would prevent the edges from fraying. I glued the first bow that I made on top of the larger bow. I played around with the placement of the bow until I was satisfied with it, and then I glued it onto this pumpkin wreath. Once I was done gluing the bow, the last thing that I did was just add some final touches. I'm going to be painting some of these pumpkins. I currently do not have a larger brush available right now. This is the little brush that I'm going to be using for now. I'm using this matte wicker white color by Folk Art. found this fan brush, which was so much easier to use than the smaller brush. I was having a little bit of a hard time with the smaller one. Grabbed more pumpkins that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to continue painting the rest of these. Now I'm going to take this peach color, this brown color, and the wicker white color and mix all of them together. With this thin paintbrush, I'm going to be drawing lines on the vertical ridges of the pumpkin. This French linen. I had a little bit of this left from a previous painting project that I made, and mixed it with the peach color and the wicker white shade. It ended up looking like this. And I also did that to a few more pumpkins. I've seen something like this in the stores, and I think it ended up looking really, really cute like that. Now I'm going to be creating an ombre effect on some of these pumpkins. I did not paint the bottom of these just because you're not going to be able to see that side anyway. And this is what they look like once they're finished.